Their universe orbits around me. Every thought, every desire, pulled in by gravity. Their focus is always locked in on me. Their universe orbits around me. I'm the center of their every scene. I'm the thought of their every dream. I'm the reason their world spins. I'm the pull they feel deep within. Their universe orbits around me. I'm their headline. I'm their main event. Everything they feel is centered around me. Their universe orbits around me. Their focus is laser sharp. Every move they make, every plan they dream, is always about me. Their universe orbits around me. Every beat of their heart, every breath they take, every pulse, every high, is drawn right back to me. Their universe orbits around me. Their eyes are only for me. Their mind is only for me. Their obsession is only for me. I am their one and only. I am their dream. Their universe orbits around me. I am the reason their world lights up. I am the life that fills their cup. I am the blue that makes them feel alive. I am the bird that makes them thrive. Their universe orbits around me. In every reality, in every timeline. It's me at their core. And this beautiful universe keeps proving this to me more and more.